In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new records and update existing ones made easy. We'll walk through creating a new deal in HubSpot and then updating an existing one, keeping everything simple, clear, and practical. Start from the HubSpot homepage. This workflow works the same way across contacts, deals, and companies, but I'll use deals as the example so you can follow along easily. Open the CRM and head to Deals, then choose Add Deals. When the panel opens, select Create New. For this walkthrough, choose I'll set up myself so you can see each field and understand what it controls. Enter a clear deal name. A consistent naming convention, like company, product, month, makes deals easy to find later. Next, choose the pipeline and the deal stage. I'll pick Appointment Scheduled to indicate where this opportunity currently sits. Enter the amount. This is the potential revenue, so make sure the currency and value are accurate. Choose a close date based on your expected timeline. Then select the deal type and use New Business for net new opportunities. Set the priority level to high if the deal needs special attention, which helps you and your team focus. Now associate the deal with the correct contact so emails and calls roll up here automatically, and choose the corresponding company to keep all activity centralized. When everything looks good, click Create. A quick note on why updating a deal is so important. As conversations evolve, amounts shift, timelines move, and stages change. Keeping your deal properties accurate improves your forecast, triggers the right automations, keeps reports trustworthy, and helps sales, marketing, and leadership stay aligned. In short, an updated deal equals a reliable pipeline. Now let's update an existing deal. Return to the Deals view. Find the deal you want to change and tick the checkbox next to it. Click Edit to bring up the properties you can adjust. Select the property you want to modify. I'll choose Amount as an example. Type in the new amount to reflect the latest scope or pricing. Finally, click Update to save your changes. You can use that same edit flow to adjust other properties, like stage, close date, or priority, whenever things progress. A quick habit to adopt is to update a deal right after each meaningful customer interaction. Your future self and your team will thank you. That's it for creating a new record and updating an existing one in HubSpot. If this was helpful, give it a try in your own CRM, keep your pipeline accurate, and subscribe for more.